What's up, guys? What's going on? We got a new video for you today. We're going to be talking about what is Hedera HBAR. This is a beginner's guide to explain what it is, guys. Let's get into it. Imagine a world where sending money or sharing data online is as fast as texting a friend, costs almost nothing, and is super secure without harming the planet. That's the promise of Hedera, a cutting-edge technology that is shaking up digital world. If you are new to cryptocurrencies and blockchain-like systems, don't worry. This essay will break it down simply. We'll explore what Hedera is, how it works, why it's different from things like Bitcoin, and what its token HBAR means for beginners. By the end, you will have a clear picture of this exciting project. First things first, what exactly is Hedera? It is a public network that is like a shared digital notebook where anyone can record transactions or build apps. But unlike traditional blockchains, it uses something called Hashgraph technology. Think of blockchain as a chain of blocks stacked one by one, where each block holds data and everyone agrees on the order through mining or voting. Hashgraph, on the other hand, is more like a web of gossip nodes. Computers in the network gossip about transactions to each other, spreading info quickly until everyone knows and agrees on what happens. This makes Hedera faster and more efficient. Created by Dr. Lehman Bard and Mance Harmon in 2018, Hedera aims to fix problems of slow speeds, high costs, and energy waste in old systems. Hedera isn't just another crypto project, it's designed for real-world use. It's governed by the Hedera Council, a group of big-name companies and organizations like Google, IBM, Boeing, and universities. This council makes decisions ensuring the network stays decentralized and trustworthy. No single person or company controls it, which reduces risks like hacks or unfair changes. As of 2025, the council has grown, and Hedera has become fully open source under the Linux Foundation's Project Hero, making it even more transparent and community-driven. Now, let's dive into how Hedera works. At its core is the Hashgraph consensus algorithm, where you make a transaction like sending money or minting an NFT. The network nodes shares details through gossip about gossip. This means each node tells others not just the transaction, but also who told them about it. It creates a tamper-proof record that's fair, fast, and final. No more waiting for confirmations like in Bitcoin, where it can take minutes or hours. Hedera achieves asynchronous Byzantine fault tolerance, which is a fancy way of saying it's super secure even if some nodes act badly or the internet glitches. It's leaderless, so no one node bosses others around, preventing bottlenecks. One of Hedera's standout features is its speed. It can handle over 10,000 transactions per second, way more than Ethereum's 15 to 30 transactions per second or Bitcoin's 7 transactions per second. Transactions settle in just 3 to 5 seconds with finality, meaning once it's done for good. No reversals. Compare that to credit cards, which might take days to fully clear. Plus, Fees are tiny, as low as 0.0001 USD per transaction, and they don't fluctuate wildly like gas fees on other networks. This makes it perfect for everyday use, like micropayments, in games, or streaming services. Security is another big win. Hedera's design resists common attacks, and it's certified for high security standards. It's also eco-friendly, proven carbon negative in studies, using less energy than a single Visa swipe. In a world worried about climate change, this matters. No energy guzzling mining here. Instead, it uses proof of stake, where people stake their tokens to help run the network and earn rewards. Speaking of tokens, what is HBAR? HBAR is Hedera's native cryptocurrency. Like a gas for a car, it powers everything on the network. You use HBAR to pay for transactions, smart contracts, self-running code, or storing files. It's also used for staking. Lock up your HBAR to support the network and get rewards. Unlike some cryptos with unlimited supply, HBAR has a fixed supply of 50 billion tokens, which could make it more valuable over time as demand grows. As of September 2025, HBAR trades around 24 cents, with a market cap of around $10 billion. Price predictions for the years range from 15 cents to 54 cents, depending on market trends and adoption. For beginners, getting HBAR is straightforward. You can buy it on exchanges like Coinbase, or I believe you can get it on Uphold, possibly BTCC and BitTrue as well. You can use fiat money or other cryptos to trade into it, I guess. Then store it in a wallet like Hashpack or Blade Wallet, which supports Hedera. Also, use secure practices. Enable two-factor authentication and never share your private keys. If you're into earning, stake your HBAR on the network for passive income. It's low risk compared to trading. Also, it mentions two-factor security, but I would recommend maybe getting it off the exchange and using a Ledger hardware wallet like that. And it's way safer in my opinion. I've got an affiliate link to Ledger. If you just click the simple.bio link, you can just look for the link for Ledger after you click there. Anyway, Hedera shines in real-world applications. It's not just for speculators. Big companies use it for supply chain tracking, fraud prevention, and even central bank digital currencies. For example, in finance, it powers fast, cheap cross-border payments. In the creator economy, artists mint NFTs cheaply without high fees eating profits. DeFi, decentralized finance, apps on Hedera let you lend, borrow, or trade assets securely. Sustainability projects track carbon credits, and gaming uses it for in-game economies. Recently, in 2025, Hedera launched Transact, a service letting enterprises build on the network without dealing with crypto wallets or fees, making it easier for businesses to adopt. Hedera is Ethereum compatible, meaning developers can use familiar tools like Solidity, I think, to build apps. This lowers the barrier for entry, attracting more projects. As of 2025, the ecosystem is booming with developer tools like Hedera Agent Kit version 3 and migrations to Hero. Community buzz on platforms like X, formerly known as Twitter, highlights HBAR's potential, with posts about its enterprise focus and fair ordering, preventing front running in trades. Looking ahead, Hedera's future looks bright. Analysts predict big growth if adoption continues, potentially hitting $10 by 2030 in optimistic scenarios. But remember, crypto is volatile. Prices can drop due to market crashes or regulations. Challenges include competition from Ethereum upgrades or Solana speed. Still, Hedera's enterprise backing and tech edge position it well for the Web3 era, where the internet becomes more decentralized. In conclusion, HBAR Hedera offers a beginner-friendly entry into the world of decentralized ledgers. It's fast, cheap, secure, and green, with real uses beyond hype. If you're curious, start small, read the official site, buy a bit of HBAR, explore apps. Just invest what you can afford to lose, and always do your own research. HBAR isn't just tech, it's a step toward a fairer digital future. Who knows, it might power the next big app you use every day. And I'm not a financial advisor, neither is Grok. So like it said, always do your own due diligence and research, guys. I appreciate y'all. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think about HBAR Hedera. I think it's pretty solid, honestly. I'm just an XRP guy, but I definitely don't hate on it. I think it's pretty good. What do you guys think, though? Let me know in the comments section. And also, if you want to go check out my affiliate links, you get some free crypto on a deposit. Got the banner rotating up at the top there, but if you click the link down in the description, that simple.bio link will lead you to all my affiliate links where you can deposit some money and get free crypto on deposit. Deposit at Coinbase. I think if you deposit like $20, you get like $30 for free. And if you deposit, I believe it is like $100 on Uphold, you get $20 for free there. That amazing deposit bonuses also at BitTrue and BTCC, where you can also leverage trade. But be careful there, because leverage trading is very risky. You can make a lot of money, but you could lose a lot too. And like I said, you might want to get a Ledger hardware wallet where you can secure your crypto. If it's not your keys, not your crypto. When you buy on exchanges and hold it on exchange, they hold your keys. But when you have this, you have the keys. So you ain't got to worry about it as much. In my opinion, that is the way to go. Anyway, let me know in the comment section what you guys think about HBAR Hedera. Hit the like button, share out with your friends, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.